Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Realme C67 device. Automatic updates can consume a significant amount of data, especially for larger application updates or system updates. Some users may have limited data plans or prefer to control their data usage, so they choose to disable auto updates to avoid unexpected data usage. Okay, and then here are the steps to do. First thing first, you have to activate the developer options on your device. Okay, please open the settings menu on your device. And then please scroll down. And then you can select about font option. Well, and then here you can tap version. And then you can click on the build number 7 times. After that, you can go back. And then you can open the system option here. After that, scroll down. And then select developer options. Okay, and then you can scroll down. You can find the automatic system update option. And then here you can switch off like this to remove the auto updates on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.